Dearly beloved, Laila and Joshua, you are here today to seek your love with an earnest bond before the church. I assure you of the prayers of our community that God will pour His abundant blessings on your love and help you to carry out the duties of the married state. And you, dear brothers and sisters, may I ask you to help them with your prayers and accept them as a new couple in our Catholic Christian community. May I now ask you to answer truthfully the following questions. Laila, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband? Did you come here, Joshua, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife? Are you both ready to raise as good Christians, Catholic Christians, the children whom God will give you?
Yes, Father.
Yes, Father.